Fire. My camera battery's dying on me.
Stay alert. We're on their hunting ground now.
God, I hate this bit. I set your hair on fire.
Near the dead end. Looks like some kind of graveyard. This is the perfect place to shoot. This is exactly why you shoot on location. Authenticity, Jack. Real life.
Stop your lectures. What the hell? Whoa. I hate these things, they go far too fast for me.
I'll do what I can.
We can go now.
Hello.
Happy, Denham? Had your fill of real life yet?
Anne, come on, let's get a couple of shots of you in front of this statue.
Excuse me, Mr. Denham. Shouldn't we concentrate on finding Preston and the others?
Finding Preston? Oh, great idea. He must have at least 3 cans of film with him.
One magazine on backup.
Oh, God.
Help me, Jack!
I'm lost.
Help me! Come help me! Together! Bullseye! All clear. Let's go.
Okay.
We can go now.
Ow! Is it broken?
No, I think he'll be okay.
Not me, I was talking about the camera.
I don't know about the camera. I only know how to...
Hang on! I'm coming!
We've got to get out of this nightmare. Wait for me, Jack! I'm coming with you!
Are you crazy?
I know what I'm doing! I'm coming, Jack!
Five magazines on backup.
Sorry I'm not talking so much. I'm getting so sucked into the game.
It's only you now, Jack. Be careful.
Okay.
Hurry! We'll meet up at the top. Call the plane and get out of this hellhole.
Did you see that? All the species on this island eat each other. Hang on! Use the fire attack! Oh my god!
Okay, we've got fire.
Over there. Over there. I'll take care of the door.
Okay. Well, at least she's a lot more fucking useful than Ashley in Resident Evil 4. Spawn time.
We could try to use some food to coax them somewhere else. It's working! Now's our chance. Hurry! Okay, come on, hurry!
Yeah. Okay, up we go.
We've almost reached the plateau.
Icky.
We'll be able to get our bearings from up there.
Oh, shut up, Anne. Hurry up. Nah. Nah.
Jack, look up there. Another fire. We can't be alone on this island. We must be hearing some kind of sound. It must be this way. I'm going.
Look out, Ann.
Okay.
Jack, there's a wall.
3 magazines on backup.
It's huge.
Yes, it was a big wall.
Ready, Jack?
Let's go. The others can't be too far.
Swim! Follow me, I'll cover you from the back! Grab my hand. I'll help you.
No.
Thanks. Nice work. You got good aim.
I can usually hit my target.
I noticed.
You. Oh, not this bit.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Find the fire, find the fire.
Up there! Look out! Get out of here.
5 magazines on backup.
Die. Dead.
On your left, Jack! That's one down.